So my people, me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, last night me share a video with Uno, right? With a lady, of course foota hype. That lady is foota hype alleged baby mother. The reason why I say alleged baby mother, foota hype say the youth him never do a DNA test, the youth must in a favor him and him just take youth just so, right? But him still do what him can for the youth. Him say a vybz cartel put up the woman for bring him down on social media, right? Because him see the woman in a vybz cartel vehicle and all these things. So the woman, you know, my people respond to the live they were foota do last night and say yes, a vybz cartel send her. So me I wonder if a troll, she just a troll foota or vybz cartel really send her. Me I wonder if vybz cartel is that petty. You see me I say? But we are going to hear what she have to say, me people, because me have the video with her. I say what she has say. See, yesterday now, me share a next video with Uno with Cam brother come out and say our daughter take away herself from the yard and Cam overwork the daughter and one bag of something. Cam respond me people and me I go share that with Uno. So the Gaza first lady I make a whole heap of rounds on social media, and one of the things them what she a do, a professor I love for Daughta Deesha, and she even a sport a ring at one point with a on the married finger. You know what I mean? So I suggest that, you know what I mean, she and Dexter really Zin. So Daughta Deesha concerned along with other people. But him do a live and him a tell the family them say this and that. See? So she respond, you know, the Gaza first lady respond. And I'm gonna share that with Uno. See? So we all see the whole thing with Beenie Man and him daughter, or just Beenie Man daughter, cause me not see no response from Beenie Man. No response from Beenie Man, right? Where she a call him out and I say he's a deadbeat dad and him not do much for him youth them and all these things. Some people, sometimes I have to wonder if Nicki Minaj knows that she's this mega superstar, or she get fed up of her life there and she just a do what she want do. You see me? Cause Nicki Minaj interview Beenie Man daughter Deesha ravers would blame them on the life. I don't know how blame them stay. Blame them light up Beenie Man, my people. Me I'm gonna share that with Uno. Seeing also Miss Triple blame them the Lion Man and Rosealee upon live. I don't know say not no good. Me I'm gonna share that with Uno. So me I'm gonna kick it off for people. We just gonna get right in it.
Kartel send me, yes. Big up my dad's cartel.
Comment investigator did I track them this morning now, but I track them.
Mobby me there. West, Money World, Money Bee. I'm a boss, come to my boss say, yo, I go and link up. One thing Kartel can say, him never fuck. Kartel never fuck it. Me a dads, move your blood crime and a friend for no boy. Yeah, you're not keep right now. A Kartel a keep. I run up in a Lisa hype for a look up for him. You just a watch we look up. You can't stop watch your baby mother them. You the pa Aisha, you the pa my all. Oh, you know, say me did a Kartel care if never did a watch me. Me did send no video to you. Me not have your pa no social media. Me not have your pa WhatsApp. No. Oh, the blood clot you know say me in a Kartel care. Oh. Mind a business, sir. Remember, you are a sickly person and you have to take care of your health. Remember, you tell me say a Red Bull give diabetes. Relax yourself. I'm gonna put me go come out from my life. I'm gonna come back and show the blood clot picture with boy have me up. I have him hand in my ear, a strut. My ear, I come from foreign. Ask my sister Trudy. When I come from foreign, I call my phone away there. Dirty man. Remember my company already is a beer roach around to your house. And if I say, Foota, why you living like this? Move your blood clots. None of us wants you. You get the biggest myrrh from Aishana. 2025 now. A year myrrh time. Big grey tone, grey back, long seed man. That me say, don't promise my son nothing. That me say. Si tu no le gusta eso, baila mierda playo. Si tu no le gusta eso, baila playa mayo. Playo. ¿Y qué? Nadie no quiero contigo. Yo no quiero su apellido. Mi hijo tampoco, porque no está haciendo nada por mi hijo. Mentiroso. Mentiroso. Liar. Liar football. How much you know me from hard copy. Move your blood clot. Whole cassava piece. The first dance you keep a cassava piece. The first stage show. I was there. Who was there with you? You were there whole head top a payload for your old man. Me don't know how me say me could have beat my pussy. No, me can't beat her, you know. Catch you, me love her. But enough for enough time me make look a mistake. Me sorry me lay down. You have to thump me in my back. Me not care who want comment and say my fault. Of course it's my blood clot fault. The whole we there with one dirty man in our lifetime. He was the dirty man me there with. Yeah. The whole we succumbs to one dirty man. And me go there with the dirty man. Me too enough. And you not gonna stop pick on Kartel because Kartel live better than you. Yeah, big up Adija, big up Madonna, my friend for life. Me get paid, Gaza will say, right there so. Gaza will say. That me say. And it hurt you so much. Gaza come just take over the whole of your local life. From Kartel come out. Kartel me I beg you no go near man him obia yo. Cause be obey walking in like your size 13 for people. I walk on people named Dirty Man. Me not like you. There amount of things me hear about you a while ago. Me in the family meeting. Yeah, me was straight out woman. Don't make him tell you nothing. Me see that girl is Wednesday with him. Oh, I am it. You say I am this. Me don't know where me see for you. I didn't know what I saw. I know me shock. Nice clean dean data. Que tú sabes yo, hombre. Yo solamente cuido mi hijo, nada más. Nice girl like me. No boy can say them wobble double me and have me and fling me now. No dirty pen, no dirty car, no way, no boy. Foota get away. Bob Browning love you. Nobody no love you. Move your blood clot. Me love you. Move your blood clot. And my son alone, me love. My son, me love my son till my fool. Anytime you hurt my son or you send him to my son to make me feel some type of way, come for your blood clots. See, watch out. 2 deadbeats. Biggest blood clot mama man and deadbeat in Jamaica. The 2 of them ate Kartel. Beenie Man and big foot your foot. Big no blood clot. Mine a blood clot foot make the plane blood clot drop. Mine a big foot make the plane drop out of blood clot sky. Watch him cock up love man. Watch him cock up with blood clot. Beenie Man forget clothes. Beenie Man and nobody. You cock up in a blood clot rental jet with Beenie Man. Nobody don't like Beenie Man. So if you try to come back at blood clot, put on it back. Put on it back. If you try to come at Kartel with Beenie Man, you lose, bro. If a Beenie Man you try to come back with, you lose, bro. Because Beenie Man is a big deadbeat. Deesha come say it. Big up Deesha. Big up Deesha, because I never forget the days when me and Deesha, Deesha said she want me and I rent a place together. Dirty man, 2 blood clot deadbeat. I want frame the 2 on and putting up on blood clot like post. The whole of Jamaica soon. 2 big dead blood clot beats. You know, she say you follow up waste man. One say my king a dancer and one say my viral king. It one a king blood clot pin. It one for go fuck on one another. Oh. You're gonna let Beenie Man a smaddy. Boy, you cock up in a jet. You love man too much. The way you love man. You love money. Blood clot. You could in a jet with who never see Foota with one girl yet. Anyone who never see Foota with one girl yet. Me not claim Foota. None of we know claims you. Who never see Foota with one girl yet? Remember Kerry run you. Everybody run you. You don't have nobody a friend to go each up on that. Kerry run your blood clot. Way. Remember the beamer, them take the beamer from you because you never have no papers for it. Move your blood clot. I know the whole of your business and I can dibble dabble and double up in the whole of them. I'm going to put up the picture. Just I'm going at my camera for going on my phone. I'm going to put up the picture. I'm have proof for everything. Don't come at me Foota. Don't do that. Don't come at me. Me I talk about don't promise my nice son anything. We don't want your last name, sir. We don't want nothing for you. Honestly, no disrespect. I'm not take back that. We don't want your last name. We don't want nothing to do with you, bitch. You're a fucking bitch. Because you itch up with Beenie Man like Beenie Man is God. Who the fuck is Beenie Man? Beenie Man was an old-time artist trying to keep up with the fame. If you push Beenie Man right now when I'm blood clot bone broke, you turn sick. Eh? What make you go down in a local country, go look some local healing for.
Alright, as I say my people, more know if I troll she a troll and I see a cartel send her. Cause I don't think cartel would have send her for this foota hype. Cause all cartel would have know her business and them way there. She and cartel are friendly, yes. But I don't think say a cartel send her. She just said that. You see me? But I know one of the things still. And the jet with foota hype and Beenie is like that jet they don't lift off of the ground with foota hype and Beenie, you know. No, so you don't lift off of you know lift up off of the ground. It's a music video they must shoot. You see me? Cause I see foota hype post one video I think and I say US tour whatever and I board the jet but the jet not lift up off of the ground. You see me I say if the jet did lift up off of the ground, foota hype would have snapped that and show it. A music video them a shoot because me even see my thinking I want Lamborghini with Etana. So it look like say Etana and Beenie Man I shoot a music video. You understand me I say? But a cartel of the man right now. No matter what them shoot, no matter what them do. You know what I mean? Beenie Man have him name, you know. Because Beenie Man do song with a whole heap of people in the industry. And know enough people in the industry. In the hip hop industry. You see me I say, so him have him name and him props. But right now, a vybz cartel time. You see, me just want the G get him permit. Him work permit for America. And it done. So, we could move on, you know, my people. We go over to Come.
Una look at dirty art. Una don't love una pity them a man una love. Remember say the man did in a video in a Beenie Man video dance naked. Beenie Man love man. Love man. Just like you. So it was not psyche and trim. Una is a perfect blood clot soulmate.
And he want sleep and he want sleep and me say you not sleep. Me I tell you so don't remember. Don't tell me no lie. Don't tell me no lie. I'm a punisher. And then both after 4, me did still come in there watch him and him a read one book to me. Me say to him, say alright, then go and go lie down and sleep and him go in bed. When me call Kino said to me, say, oh, no give him no food. Give him a cook and give him one dumpling. Me say, no, me punish him already. And my child, me punish her already. I saw me punish her. So it's in order for me punish Lexi, my brother beat Lexi. My brother give him some thump. You get me? Me no run joke with my daughter. Me no run picnic joke with my daughter. You understand? And him out tell like, oh, you're this and you're that and you're this and you're that. No. I'm my child. Me tell Lexi every day, say, look here, you see, if you tell me lie, me and you now go have peace. Because you see when people are tell lie upon you, Lexi, me want can't believe you. Don't tell me no lie. Are them things that me talk to my daughter about. When Lexi go to school, whether Lexi wrong or Lexi right, me reach out there. I want to hear how he go. And if he wrong, he know how he go. But if he right, he know how he go. I saw me deal with Lexi. You get what me I say? You no fake and hey, you. You say me see boy they are carrying Obia sitting in my house, brother. And me say, Keynote, me no want them something in my house. Me no use blue. Me no want no lime. Me no want no put them colors in the kalanga water. Me no want none of them in my house. You know what Keynote do? Keynote wait till me gonna work. And when me come back in the bathroom full of all kind of shit. And me say the bathroom look so. Me say, Keynote, me have olive oil in here. Me have my altar in here. When me pray and them little thing there, brother, me listen to my bishop, brother. My bishop tell me one thing. You can't have nothing about no. Don't not even blue. But just, you know. Because I was there. He called me, you know, and said to me, say, nothing I want for my Germany and Ray. And me say, reach out to my pastor and thing. And he say, he have one friend where tell him about some reader man at Jamaica. And he reader man at Jamaica, tell him say, if you want wine, if you buy. But let me tell you something about God and why I kill you. May I tell you something, because I tell you something, I'm a spiritual person. And if I lie, me I tell me I want to not call my brother with that England in here, Ricky Powell on Facebook, and I think he named Ricky Powell on TikTok. I said to him, what do you say? Me no do Kino nothing. Kino plot with someone against me, and then turn against me. I said to him, say, Lexi, no get trouble. Lexi will more tell me lie and fall like a little friend them. You see me? And Frankie, come here in a then time there. There's a different Lexi me have. Me I feel, you know, a more strict up on Lexi. My friend turned to me and said to me, say something about Kino on the right, you know. Me I say, no, so me not blame me man thing, but you know my spirit kinda rare, but me I feel a whole out. You see me? Me I tell you no something. You see, one day before everything happen, I tell you something, no click no life, because me and Kino nah nothing, you know. You see me? My dream say Kino and Zaro. When my dream see them, Zaro and make up like them and nail up something. But anyway, Zara, this guy is himself from me. But when me look, me say Kino. And when me say Kino, I give me Alexis something for eat. But when I give Alexis something for eat, me take it from Alexis and like you know what me I eat, and me I say, I do on this, and he must have blue drawers. And me say no. And we are back and forth in the argument. When me look, me turn up on one McDonald's with some crowd of people there. On my daddy McDonald's, it's like Kino, it's someone with a Zara, you know, but call Lexi father, you know. And like him said to me, say, me fi nail up the box because Kino, like him say, Kino, I will put Lexi in the box. And if him come fi nail up the box. That's the vision me get. But in one, the something I get Lexi fi eat, I want in one banana leaf. You see me? Remember before me come out of the dream, it's like me say Lexi lie down like in a one box. And when me I come out of the dream, Zara just come up to me. And I get up on me and say, what kind of dream this? I pray about it, I'm buying it up. And I reach out to him. And I say, Kino, you know, so my dream see you. And he must say, you know, like that's a white dream, say, you know, no, give me the reaction there. But me see so my dream, say, me I want to kind of dream it, and he must say, and it done. People as God live it. As God live it. Me not get that energy from him. And when the whole thing with Lexi now, and my sister, me text him 3 times. And me say, call me now, him don't call me. My brother, make me know say Kino reach out to my sister, and Kino and my sister are never friend like that. Reach out to me. And I saw them plot against me, and I get in Alexi head for Lexi hate me. May I tell you something? Just see him, so don't not go for him. As somebody might look for sacrifice, I want him want Alexis soul, you know. Because of what? You know, if you kill a person to get them soul, you can't turn them to the street. I turn Lexis to the street, you know. Because I see them, I'm a question my pitney, you know, brother. Him come here with him demon spirit from my pitney, you know. You hear me tell you, no? I'm sit down, I'm pick it up, you know. I pick it up. I say, wow. I reach out to my pastor up in New York, and my pastor tell me, say, look here. I don't even want to talk them something up on social media. I pray, and go down and get some prayer warrior, and we pray, you know. But me reverse it back to you, man. That's why he come with the mouth fuck can't win. Here? And watch me and you, man. Watch me and you. That is the reason why it hurt him so much when me tell him say, don't give my daughter nothing. Me no want nothing from you for me pick me and lock her off. It a go hurt you because you don't have a other option of getting to her. Because why would you want to buy your phone and clothes behind my back when she already have so much? When me I try to discipline my pitney. Because you don't want me pitney soul, eh? Tell you already so not play with her.
Some people, I gonna say something like, Come seem like a no-nonsense parent and a stern parent. You see me I say, we do our thing differently, like aggressive, like the mother them in the old time days. Cause you know them a new mother, yeah. Them want be them pick the friend and them want make them pick the do this and do that. You know what I mean? Come different. But she have to know what she had to same way with the youth, because them are youth nowadays. You see me I say, them not like certain things, and plus in a first world country like America, them we call all the officer them on you same way, so you have to be careful what you do, and you have to build a relationship with them where them can talk to you, because that is needed, especially when them reach that age where fear daughter reach. You know what I mean? You have to know what you do. See, so me not tell nobody how to take care of them youth, but you have to have a bond with your youth. Not say you're gonna be them friend and them are gonna do as them like. No, you can be them friend and still be a parent. You understand? Make me know what you think. We quote some more people.
Person, and you don't know. But watch this. That's why you come on TikTok, come talk about me up this, I'm not up that, I'm not this, I'm not that. Me and you and Jesus. Watch me and you, man. Watch me and you. You think you win? You can't win. And talk anything what you want to talk, say, but you obey this and you obey that. Me and God know the truth. Me and God know the truth. And me now have to come talk about this and that, and me and the Almighty know the truth. Here, and me talk every day. One time me I run my clothes store and my ear shop. Me a spirit. From me a 15-year-old father God give me spirit. Me have spirituality, you know. Me start speaking in tongues. One time, me start speaking in tongues about 3 years now. I find myself talking in a spirit every minute and me a speaking in tongues. Me is a revivalist. Me a bongo spirit. Me a revivalist. Me fight any demon. And yeah, my living witness. But guess what you talk about a hobby? That's why I gotta go beat you. Even when time when I dead in my house and my cousin either go dead. I get up a man and I just start catching a spirit and I say something alright and I bind up and I bind up and I bind up and I start praying for my cousin who in a cancer and I say Father God just heal her and take out that sickness in front of her and I pray make she can rest. And by 12 o'clock then call me tell me say my cousin passed away. I say look how God just want somebody pray so she can go to Heaven's Gate. I think me never know say it don't come. I think me never know say it don't come. You know you can't win my man. And I can't tell everybody this. From me meet the pastor up in New York, I wash my hand. You can't come to me about no hobby. You can't tell me about no reader man and no reader woman. Nobody can tell me nothing about them thing there. Because I make them know straight up. I don't want to hear that, bro. I don't want to read in front of bro. I don't want to hear that, bro. Straight up. Straight up. I don't want nobody read me. You understand? So when time I come, oh, yo, this and number, I just laugh. Because me and God know the truth. Me and God know the truth. So we love you know. Because we know a devil worshipper. Yeah. We know a devil worshipper. Yeah. Just know that. I don't come to bring down people who have sensible people. We know Sala Yatel. Here. So you go and let's say, me, they call you in my house and give you my passport and give you my everything and say, look back. That girl now have a good mouth to come out her mouth against Zaro. She never have nothing good to talk about her brother. She always Zara runway. Let's take off everything off of Zara. Zara this, Zara damn. Zara this, Zara damn. Never have nothing good. And as she cut that was she a Christian. Your face fat and cranny like you have one big old soul. Upon you. Upon you. Big and back, you ugly and black and favorite dog. Just imagine. My brother dead. I'll not bring down uno names. The two of them. I will not chat bad about Tiffany. We will not chat bad about Tiffany. Carol talk, Carol, granny. Me hear talk out I own a mouth in my ears. Saying, eat Tiffany. That's when she saw me, I said, Bumbo clad. Me can't send Lexi go spend a holiday with she. God, if I lie, me I tell, dumb me dirty blood clot. Me say if I lie, me I tell me one father God tie up my tongue and make me can't talk. If I don't know one next year, ear and the other ear. If I lie, me I tell me hear the grandmother talk saying eat Zara, saying eat Tiffany. Eat Tiffany. She tell lie upon Tiffany. Eh? I should have known so son wicked and tan long time. Oh no. I should have known so son wicked and stay a long time. Wicked and stay. Well, you know, I'm going to use and kill you, no? I promise Tiffany said when I'm 16. I want me and I go to one foreign country. And I go try make sure get her visa too. And me, when I have no papers, I go take her. And me, we can go.
Me I go say this, right? Me I go say this. Family, if you concerned about your youth them, if them see you deal with them a certain type of way, you know what I mean? And them if you try to intervene, yeah. But if you hear out certain things on social media, that no good, that no right as a family. No care how, no care what go on, unless it reach a level where you say this are the only solution. You see me? So if your brother come on social media and I bring her down and I say this and I say that about our youth, you understand? It don't look good still. Me don't know if this are the last resort where him say like this are the only thing we can help sort out the situation to help out this little youth. You can feel the youth pain or whatever. You know what I mean? But if I not saw it go, him should have deal with it within the family and don't carry it on social media. You know what I mean? Everybody parent different. You see me I say? I mean I feel like say come I arm this youth here. You see me? Bigger one thing, she may have her ways and sitting. Me no feel like say she a arm it. I could be wrong still. You know what I mean? But let me know what I think my people. Me go watch some more.
Oh no way. Me make for her birthday October, me and her go I want foreign country. Me don't know what she want to go. I eat a kilo no. Cause me I keep love between the two people them. You know the bagger and the mix up and the liard. You call your mama, you tell liar your mama. We still have here one day for blood clot Carol because we don't know so much people. But if a she can be the fucking glory, who cares? I never prove nothing to nobody, no. What if me I prove to no? Go and say what you say and do what you do. I want him to know when you dig one, no dig one, dig two. Your mouth big and stink like shit. Walk and suck good like dog. I don't want to see you look bat him and I take my screenshot him today. Cause me are sending everything to immigration pan the dirty blood clot dog shit. See bat him man, yeah? See him there? I don't see him, I don't see Batty. Look on him. I end that. Him filter up, he don't look so good. Him black and tough and barky. Mm-hmm. 225, 825 at Germany now. This semester up on 9 o'clock, 9:30. Watch me and you. That's why I'm on live, you know. Because I know when we wake up tomorrow morning at 12 o'clock over, at 11, at 6 o'clock at soon evening, then like that catch me this morning. That catch me this morning. Watch me, I dirty blood clot. Me pussy who can't travel. Me or you. Oh, you want to see. But when mama did, then give people to travel for them fucking bright and pasty and stink like dog. You stink like shit. I say, me listening, and me I say, then I say, me I say about people. How can you get a 2-year green card? Get a 10-year green card? 2 years, you have to get 2 years then 10 years. And you make 2 years, 10 year run out. And after 10 year run out, them will give you one piece of paper. If you travel and them will tell you, say, you're lucky, say you come back. And then revoke it and give you one. Me blood clot. People really buy that? Then nobody over there, never tell inside line, I tell you, no can't go so. People really buy that? Why? You're good like, hey, you have got to lie, eh? You have got to one liar, but now for immigration, you have got to do foolishness. You have got to do foolishness. Mm-hmm. You have got to do foolishness. You know what people reach out to me and ask me to do, and I tell them? Hmm? Poor thing. Poor thing. You silly like silly blood clot, Billy. When I lie you. God no. You silly bad. I think you're the most sensible. I thought you. You come for the wrong girl. I post upon my WhatsApp on my sister. I didn't see it. When your sister said it, show it. So, you run go click Instagram. I can't see go click. I can't vlog my live, eh? People, if I come over this soon all next year. I can't bother. At 2:30, you know. I'm calling people, yeah. I got email, Germany. I don't know what's going on. Wow, you could kill them man. Friday. Friday one. Make some saltfish dumpling to Lexi. I like saltfish fritters. Saltfish fritters.
Alright, my people. So, let me know what you think. We are going to watch some more and then we are going to go over to the next. We are going to go over the Gaza First Lady and then we go over Deesha Ravers with Nicki Minaj and maybe add other things to it. I remember Rosalie, Miss Triple and the Lion Man and Blam them. Oh no, I missed that. So, let me know what you think, my people.
One day, my buy some egg, you know. You see, my buy 2 dozen egg when you come in. Then you go get like them, people like egg them. In less than day, and I want. And if me a race her up, TikTok hear me a race her up. If me a talk to her nice, TikTok hear me a talk to her nice. Yeah? Even my friends sometimes will come and say, come when I talk to Lexi, mute. And me say, me nah mute. Me nah mute, and you know why? Me want Lexi to understand, say. When me a talk to her a certain way, if people fi hear, because you know say my mother will shame me, you know. My mother with this. Me not grow up pitney like Uno, kill his people. Make pitney and Uno have secrets. Yeah. Lexi get trouble at school, out of school, me go thump him blood clot down. In a foreigner, me do that. When he do that, me grab him all in the neck, right? Me go for him as when I walk in front of me, grab him in shop, I can stand dry, man. So me can know you, me talk to bumbo clot, yo. I'm the one pussy clot, mad me. School, me do that. You hear? And when me do that, by me reach a me yard, me see one police come me, a social worker come me, I tell me, say, then send me Lexi at school, and when they, me say, look here, you don't look here, pitney. You don't look at pitney. And me tell her, me say, look here, she out of school, I give me a trouble, and them call me out there, and me have to go to go while her up. And the woman look at me and say, you know what, you're a strict mother. As long as you don't abuse her, like she, if you even slap her, don't make sure you have any scratch on her. Don't do that. You and us, we will always good. Them salute me as a mother. Because me no run certain joke. Me no run certain joke. Lexi has a 15-year-old. And me a carry Lexi go test him every blood clot month and 2 months and 3 months and 4 months. You understand? Because my pitney are no saint. And them follow friend. So you see, every time when if you get in medical and in check up, me have a blood clot carry her. So she will know say, if me have boyfriend, mommy a go know. And she will know say if me go follow me look of thinking friend them and go smoke, mommy a go know because she but her friend matter. Then in friend always say, Alex say don't have any boyfriend. Yeah. So you see moment now she reach 16, me and her will sit down and we'll talk about sex. And me go say to her, say, look here, don't put this in your mind, no. Me no talk about a boyfriend, no. So here but every month we are come right here so contest. Because I me no want my pitney get carried a blood clot with an America system. Know that. Me I do that every month. And any day him slip up, me I go beat out our blood clot. So guess what? Run with it. Run with it, no? Because me, a mother and father, and me have to give her the 2-sided blood clot me. Me no give Lexi money. Me no give Lexi money. Because when Lexi have money, Lexi do crazy stuff. Lexi will tell me, say, mommy, can I go to the movie with my friends? And when take a start, Lexi, no, that no movie, no. Lexi got a teenager birthday party. Or in got a party, they want to start from 7 o'clock till 10 o'clock, all a teenage party, them in the summertime. So to me know that she good at that. I don't give her Lexi money. So my family won't put Lexi up on cash up. Behind my back. So that's the reason why I was so upset when I heard you're giving Lexi's money. Me say, no, you can't do that. Me upset about you. Me reach out to you. You never answer me. Me no give Lexi money. You can't get teenager pick the money. Because what, when Lexi are going to make care, Lexi got a movie. Me say, I got a movie. I'm going to give him 20 in pocket. I'm watching to see if I'm spending. Me no give Lexi money. When I get teenager pick the money in America, I'm telling you something. Them follow them, friend them, and then we go buy all weed. Then we go buy all, everybody want the, what them call that thing, yeah? Vape. So So guess what I do? Me have to protect them things because me alone, brother. I me alone. So I feel like me going like me a blood clot idiot. And the fuckery. And then my pitney now misbehave. Me take her phone from her. Who know I go send money come give my pitney for my phone? Back on my back. Hey boy, me say for the other up New York, man, me call same Lashan, they won't not talk about them, me go there with Lashan and Ray. None of Zara friend, them never ever one time put the argument to me. And I make Zara, make Lashan, well, you see, carry one place all over man and fix you. You. I don't know where you left America for. You. You get what I say? I feel like me a kill this mama batty, almost your batty man blood clot blood in your too hot. Me no cuss people and tell no lie. Me cuss you not talk blood clot throat.
Use the double.
Double chat.
Use the double.
Short and fluffy.
Double.
Use the double. Use the double.
Double no chat.
Use the double chat.
Please.
Use the double. Use the double.
Come on, no chat.
Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Come on.
I don't have money gonna ask you
Mama,
nothing.
one savvy.
Yo.
Come on, no
Thank you,
chat.
sweetheart.
Yo,
Savvy,
man.
you know, so we got married.
I beg you some years so the only
Yo, no.
Guys,
Savvy, you know, long you support me, baby. Me have to go married. Savvy, send me a number. Savvy, send me a number in your DM. Savvy, me like you, Savvy. Me have to go married. You know, long you support me, baby. Savvy, send me a number, Savvy. All right. Jayden, top shut off your mouth.
Guys, use
You hear me? Jayden, what are we over here, Rich?
Passes, thank
I
you.
want Nicki Minaj, one Savvy, one DMV. DMV has support me long time. DMV are my moderator.
guys don't get that money gonna be
One Savvy are my moderator. DMV ever they support me, put DMV as moderator. I put DMV as moderator.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Jayden, go near more time with that. Do that and beat me, Jayden. Do that and beat me.
Watch him a touching phone. Watch him.
And my foot me a touch either.
Man, lie, say, man. Where put out the weight this up?
My foot the... Look, bro.
Mr. Baby. Jayden,
Let me see your foot.
Bagwan.
Jayden, you know say a black one here supporter them.
Who that?
The #1 bubble day.
Me, Black R?
One time, and my sister, you know, one time she made a play and she did help me and your black car.
Me?
Yeah. Then the black people shoot the other.
Well, that's some bad mind. That's some bad mind.
Jayden, black him blessing.
Suave.
Last time thing fall off, so...
No! This person where they are Bristol. The black car.
274.
Jayden, you fall out of your
Dollar.
Voila.
Too beggy.
Dollar.
Black car. And black car, Jayden, please. One
Dollar.
That boy there with the fake page when him blam them. But I can't report the man page, make him and tap use my name. Dig in that page, report the man, bro, and tap
Report your mother, man.
Report the man. Dad, man, them we have buy your crutches and stuff, but they can't afford this.
Love the social big something, galley. Cause
And stuff with your crutches, no value nothing.
them house are black on from them. Them like when they shoot for
And stuff with your crutches, no value nothing. And Jayden, your tongue, man.
Guys,
You didn't
somebody
want
can't
to
pay them a 800.
ride it,
You
though.
look at them crutches argument where you come with. The people tell that.
You didn't want to ride it, though.
They can't tell me about 800.
One Savvy, I love you so much, sweetheart. Big up yourself.
Blam them, stop chat to yourself, though.
One Savvy, big up. Damos, big up.
Watch him
Zigzag, big up. Free, big up.
Watch him on a tank himself.
Every day you chat about me, I give me. You want bad mind boy in a jet. That's why I don't like you. Me can't like you, no, bro. Me can't like you, bro. You have to look at batty man and your bad mind.
Where you say who you for now?
Rosealee, what make you so bad mind, Rosealee?
No, but we get 5,000.
See how you can't send one lion.
Jayden, you can't win a match. You win.
One.
Hey, them a three, you know. You see when them link up, a trouble, you know. Straight drama, you know. Me not lie, me love taking them people. Me not lie, big one thing. Them go on with themselves. So, one at a time, blame them at this, how am I this? Am I this the lion man? You see me I say when me stripper company, you know. Blame them at this the lion. I don't remember how it go, but something another blame them at tell Rosealee, so me then team up and this the lion man. You see me I say Rosealee say nah, Me go when they reach them, me gonna watch it. Me not give to me people, but me not lie. Them three are funny or me not lie. Them funny as F.
Special. Yeah, go on, feel. One savvy send me a number, baby.
Everybody.
Baby, me want the number.
Everybody. Everybody is tapping ice cream. DJ, thank you so much.
Jayden, tell Rose, say me have a housekeeping work for you. Hey, girl, what make you go sell your pussy, man? Go on, everybody go tell her.
So,
Thank you, DJ.
I said they have a housekeeping work for you.
one fuck work for them. One savvy, send me a number, baby. One savvy, me want, hey, you look good, mama. The Mustangs. They're going to marry all of me gifts to them.
CJ, thank you. Everybody, thank you for.
Yeah, we don't give a fuck.
No, good too.
I'm going to ask you where
The
you
woman want them, the woman gift to them.
I ask you where you go eat all now.
Yeah, they want to kill this batty man.
Hey, remember this, you know?
Let me see.
No, me pay.
Me not put none of life. Let me see
Hey,
what
you me, no?
not from you, too.
I would have Rosalie, hey, madam.
Clear off, you know?
Yeah.
Right there. Balance.
Let me say hi to your mother, Rosalie. Let me say her.
This one, the 350.
Go see,
You
thank
know
you.
where to
Rosalie.
Thank
you, man.
Rosalie.
And a blood clot Red Bull.
Rosalie.
Remember the June, man?
Joan.
June already, what me have to?
June.
Let me have talk, but yeah.
Let me say hi to your mother now, please. Me I beg you.
June mother, wants to hide.
One money gun.
Madam, there, let me see you. Anna Rosalie, mother.
I'm too fucking fast.
Yes, they want to. Plus, this is the special.
We not take no alcohol, man.
One money gun catch his speed.
I'm gonna say this.
Rosalie, you're too disgusting, man. You're little weird. Paper catch his speed. One money gun. Somebody send a money gun. Somebody send a money gun. What? Somebody send a money gun, paper. One money gun. One money gun, paper. Watch ya. Paper, one money gun. Catch his speed. Watch ya. One money. People don't care your blood clot.
Don't exit it, no. Don't exit it. Suck your mom and I'll play it. Don't exit it. Don't exit it. Move!
Rosalie, paper.
Why we are gonna move your blood clot? Why you want to get things I wanna forget? One! Dirty batty man.
Dirty batty man.
Frankie. You miss this video?
Hey.
Add her back, cause she go come.
Jayden, where you gone? Come back.
Jayden, where can she?
No girl that man.
Add back, Jayden. Add him back. Add her back.
No think up.
Tell her to come.
Well,
And so the circle we want laugh, you're boring up over yourself. Circle it.
go on, look at self crashes, girl. Add me stripper now, because my stripper doesn't send me a request.
Go on with the self-catches.
You can't triple night like a triple soft, you know.
Pity, because honestly, I don't want it.
But you cry.
Yeah.
One body mouth, woman say my bad mind, yo.
Why?
I want woman to know, say me know all your good man, I'm a good friend. I want the boy them come in a scheme and me them cheer for right through. I'm them long time there. When we remember one born one come here be a US thing give me. Just talk out of my mouth and me get be a US. So me don't know that body mouth woman they come from. I say come out I say stinking woman come me look at this hour when they come out.
Jayden.
The one way a friend party I want to know about body mouth.
Me tell you Marianne in a believe. Me tell you Marianne in a believe. Remember me tell you.
Father, oh, make it gonna hold this year. So how are you?
Me there.
Add jealous.
Make up and buy the bed.
The what?
100 a month make up and buy the bed.
So I'm to your bed, you have a nice bed there, so.
Why, triple? No bother.
You make TikTok, they make you change your bed, you have a nice bed.
I want to look at that batty man. I got suck your mama ziggy. Suck out your mother ziggy. I'm going to call Jayden.
So
you never see a run from
Let
nobody.
me where you're running.
Just bad on him.
Boy in the club, go suck your mother, Ziggy. Go suck out your mother. Go suck out your mother, Ziggy. You're a madman. You're a mad out your head in the boat.
Ah, boy,
Ziggy, mother, you
I know I'm a friend.
Go suck your mother, Ziggy. Two madman can there, so go suck your mother. Somebody go call Jayden.
Answer for the circle.
People, I will blame them though. Meet for him match. That you the disrespectful still, you know. Me not lie, you know. A whole heap of people me see him this, you know. Me not watch no whole heap of live with him still, but me not lie. The one them when me see him, these people wicked. He would remind me of slime. You see me I say? They look like they blame them can't manage him or him no want give him no highlight. Either way. You see me I say? So make me know what they think me people. So blame them Miss Triple, Rosealee and the Lion Man are there on live, you know. So make we hear what go on there so. Then we are gonna move on to Nicki Minaj, blame them and Deesha Ravers.
Batty boy, we run for.
What we are back to Jayden?
We are at
Hold on, follow me up.
Answer for the circle. We are at circle good girl. Circle, you know, you can go on in.
Right.
You go add Ziggy. Blame them cause Ziggy now?
No, me not give him no hype.
Yeah, the time in the place nice.
No, me cuff this stripper.
Why not let's do me that? How name Ziggy?
Yeah, me not, alright, me not give him no hype. I'm madman that, me not give him no hype. So mad, me not
Yeah,
give him
look
no hype.
around.
But me stripper, you talk to them look all low, you keep them one do over.
You start for me.
No, me not that fire.
Jayden, stop it. Blame them.
You love me name me, man.
Lord
How
God.
what Jayden I do?
No does they are play match.
Jayden, what happened?
No does they are play match.
You okay?
Good man.
Chico can't accelerate you, you know, we play one with you and make you one.
Oh, Shoulda
Somebody
can't get
gotta
the cost. Shoulda can't get the cost me.
No, we can't. I'm now gonna cuss you.
Remember, the Rosealee love sweets now, you want solitary mind him. Right now, cuss him.
Alright, so that's our reason make sure not cost me. What make you not
Yeah,
cost me now?
I'm one driving a Jamaica. So I'm not
You not ready for me?
Me not ready to cuss you.
Then if you cost the whole of TikTok already,
Yeah.
then wait for it to cost
Me
me.
one driving a solitary car.
I'm ready, smartly.
Me one driving a solitary jelly, so I'm not cuss triple.
Alright,
People
she
not
want
gonna
are you not ready? So
exit
Jayden
your
make
solitary
you cost
cash,
me
you want
yet.
Junk crow.
Solitary cash jet, no, cash price.
Mr. Triple, me not go ever cuss.
What are we know people business, blame them?
Well,
And where you sit down there collect everybody business?
No, he want suck off solitary thing.
I look at Batman,
You're there.
you do a Batman joke.
Jayden not a chronicle, no
Let's check your radar,
argument,
make him around Batman joke.
So, oh, him know about
Why did
solitary.
that
bad man.
Oh, him.
I look at Batman, and I'm
No,
out.
like
you
him know your man more than you.
Crash, blame them.
Dog, you know, say I want to look at
Triple,
Batman.
you know, you were telling us a while ago.
What Jayden say?
Dog, you know, say I cuff little boy.
Gruff,
You know
Dog,
what
I just tell my dog, man, me not
What you do for Jayden?
What Jayden say?
Everywhere you go, you run back to joke.
Oh, you know about
Batman, bro.
guys catch a double chat.
Oh, blame them, no, Mr. Triple business.
Oh, you know blame them. Oh, you know them friend crash.
They must say me dog them parry the dog in a badness. If the dog had me on phone.
Two or not.
Yeah, man.
Too hard chat.
Yeah, my inform. Yo. One more.
A little bat,
Guys, you not get money to the chat.
Too hard, guys.
One more cap.
Pen. Now, boy.
Too hard chat.
So the funny like big up yourself, me dog.
I'm gonna
One
see
bad
the stinking mama.
So one more.
Guys, one more heart.
Me don't
One
wanna eat
more
it because my blood clot dirty gate.
Hungry belly
Guys,
roast.
catch your speed. Two do not now.
One more roast. One more.
Guys,
We catch it, you know.
Oh,
not
where's the
catch
pommy
it.
side?
What am I to do with me?
Where's the pommy side?
Double suck.
We're gonna watch
Oh, no, my
chat.
Where's the pommy side?
We're gonna
Let's
go
see
your
first.
mother.
Let's see
Come on,
first.
chat. Come on,
All you know
Double
my
chat.
business.
Double chat.
All you know my
Come not
business.
up with the money gun.
Me know your business, but me not talk it.
But me not talk for your business.
Double chat.
Me
They
talk
can't talk your business.
Guys,
but when me talk, everybody know. One Savvy baby.
Double chat.
One Savvy me got
But
bring
no,
that.
oh, you know me. Ah, that.
Same I don't know my business, me know a few no.
Double chat.
It's not look good enough.
Remember say you call up me name.
Money gone.
Say what?
Like you said to me say. Like me I said something to you and say, here. Blame them, nobody got this so you know. And call up me name where they call me like spring.
Who like call up what they call it?
You said smartly and say like me I said you say. Me stripper you look so you look for your horse so. And you say, blame them.
Nico.
Like you call the name where you know my name.
Me not say that. Me not call you. Me say blame them. Me know your name, but me not call.
You said, oh, you call up my name.
You really know blame them looking at real life?
You don't know me look, but you don't know me look, you don't know me.
Me know you look, of course, blame.
Probably I see me on picture.
Me ship it on look.
Him look alright. Him not look.
Nah, when him come on video call him now. Let me see him face.
I say you can't take me the road.
Yeah, because you can't
What's
see.
up?
You can't go on with blood.
Can't see.
Jayden, me and Jayden talk on video call for me dog them phone.
Me know, can you like Jayden? He's a man,
Me
y'all.
dog them phone, bro. Me dog them and Jayden a friend, bro. I know kind of man.
Yes, you.
Follow me. I said,
Me
you just
Superman, look, me Superman see me I don't know. Only for time. And the dog know me dog.
Long them, you try set up my life in my yo. More live long.
Yeah, me more and them only and bust your blood clot to me a friend.
What this man?
Murder.
But Rosalie, you love too much, man. A solitary money them had you. Make your can't dismiss.
No, but really and truly, him know her before me.
Me know come out saying me about this and you forget.
Oh, so
Solitary know Rose before me.
So
A solitary make me stripper no Rosalie.
What?
So me stripper solitary supposed to get me Rosalie before you, but you come. Okay.
Enough love Rosalie, man, in friend them every time they go around there Rosalie go to give them joke and take the money out of them pocket for real. See what she say?
Rosalie are not solitary type.
She always give them joke when they
Not talk about type.
Rosalie are not solitary type. Well, him tell me.
Rosalie,
They rape me dog, rape me, and me rape dog. My friend them rape me, me know them long time. When they come here, they make much of me with laugh.
Rosalie, you are not solitary type. Solitary now are you?
We not talk
This
about
a solitary
boy.
a solitary segment this.
He looks so.
But me not see him on TikTok. So how I see him segment?
The blood
Me not
clot, man.
But the Jayden man fetish, you know. So you have to understand.
Cho.
Why for the man, he must continue.
Yeah, Jayden like man name. You must say Jayden man fetish.
The solitary
Look here. We have to
Yeah,
throw
we
one
have
money
to
but
too much
understand.
bad man. Can you come and find him?
What?
Yeah, get solitary too much hype. Change the subject.
Let me shut my mouth.
Solitary have to pay for promotion, you know.
No.
And you're lion.
We are talking about that man, no man.
Moving forward. And Nicki Minaj. One Nicki Minaj, you know, man.
Hey, the lion man no want no type of dealing with blame them. Otherwise, from TikTok, you see me no calling, no nothing. Because people might think say man him a link for real, you know. You see me, I don't know them people yet done. You see me? So let me know what you think my people. Blame them say my president and Nicki Minaj our president. Nicki Minaj can take over Jamaica and TikTok. And I run it off. Everybody under manners. Ja no star. Why I tell her, big up to Nicki still. You see me? So make you watch some more my people. I remember we are gonna go over Nicki and Deesha ravers and blame them.
One Nicki Minaj, I know.
Nicki Minaj over here, you know. Nicki, big up yourself. Nicki this.
One Nicki Minaj, I know. Yo, blame them. Who that like
Nicki
you? Hold on.
Eh?
Blame them. I like you that there.
What's up, Sir Roses,
Right, you
guys?
up here don't pay your body.
Talk your mama. Same thing with Shalom.
A little body boy, I name out time of the dog. I like you, a little boy. Dog, I bet, hey, I'm going to rush you like come rush that is somebody there in the youth. No, yeah, you know.
How we rush?
Shalom.
Just Shalom by my bed.
Shalom, my bed.
I like me a year. But where Shalom get money from?
Shalom, all the
Or
people.
art shot.
Yo, Yeah, the Shalom, I tell you what policeman say me, Shalom, I ain't not like.
Like you man give a fuck.
Like you want to give a fuck.
Guys, we have no 4
Shalom,
hours.
big that
I know kept alone the man sending the
Yeah, policeman to Shalom. Me didn't say about man take up all with Batman Shiba.
So all of my best to them in another program, yeah. We no can't send my money gun.
Come on, chat. 3 more cap. 3 more cap.
Nicki Minaj, big up Nicki Minaj. I want Nicki Minaj in
3 more cap. 3 more cap.
Guys, you can't get this bit at 2,000 people there saying.
Look how much I'm best to them the right here, so
No,
I can't get a money gun.
No, sir.
Nicki Minaj, Nicki Minaj, don't know.
All no park, yeah, so no can't.
You can't believe me at 4,000 people and can't get this.
Nicki
5,000 somebody over here.
Nicki Minaj, 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 Nicki Minaj. We love you, we love you, we love your money too. I will love you too.
Guys, we're gonna go on money gun and chat from the start live poll now.
Nicki Minaj, alright.
This is Jacob, me can't be on money gun.
You can comment me let's say they have to choose for
Nicki Minaj, how are you? You're good?
Millions, thank you.
Somebody else can please comment so they can tap that.
You are looking up. Come on, chat.
This is Jacob time.
But you Mr. Beg?
Nicki Minaj, me not beg nothing.
Yes, how are you, Mr. Beg?
DJ Bumbuckler.
Yeah, that's a long time I get gift before
Jayden,
you come out. I can't say
I know Nicki Minaj.
Why is it about begging?
Jayden, Nicki Minaj doesn't know how me are winning. Watch out.
Come on, chat.
Look here. Look how me tough. Somebody
Oh,
said
yeah.
Guys, you can't get no.
Double
Somebody
charge.
said a baby kitten pan the double.
Why so with the big emoji?
Somebody send a baby kitten pan the double. Somebody send a baby kitten. Somebody send a baby kitten and show that little batty boy they say man on nobody. Somebody send a baby kitten. But now more tell me that Jayden, yeah, somebody man look on that. I want Savvy do that.
2,000 people that's come for me. I'll let you short back on the day.
Jayden, yeah, nobody gonna more tell me that.
Ah,
We love you, Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj.
In the so
Nicki
deep, man.
Minaj. Nicki Minaj. Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki blam them. Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki blam them.
Blam them, yam them.
Bumbuckler. Look, boy, let me tell you something. Keep your naming argument to yourself, bro. Now come bring me the naming argument.
What that right with it?
Everybody can do the same thing. Use a name, I'm a bad man.
I see
Everybody
it.
can do name. You are you. One
Take it out.
me and me no name like you.
Come up look pan. Be throat back. So take it out.
But no did it. But no did
Yeah,
it.
come in and get done. Me not get done. And them sit down for me. Me can't get a money gun, so take it out.
Rosealee, your tongue white and think and dirty in the blood. Like your dirty mouth, man. Go drunk up.
You feel
Well,
like
you're gonna get it for your period tonight, you know. I'm gonna argue the boy when I'm on them period.
If me the
Yeah. Mr. I'm gonna argue that like a period come down tonight pan you.
So I can have a team up on this up, Jayden and Miss Super. Come.
No, I'm not the stripper.
talk
You know,
about
you love
No, I'm not the stripper. I'm tired for this, yo. I can't bother. I could fling but triple at somebody new.
So I can want this Miss Stripper. I say I love sweet.
No, I can't. This
Nobody else go out there, not for go work.
You know, and some of us Miss Stripper they collect your money for chewing.
We not for go work with me tonight. Cause nobody else go up there. So me so
What kind of money?
Miss Stripper they collect your money for chewing.
Baby, me cannot tap sister.
Alright, me go tap it.
Him say Jayden tell him so, but anyway.
Jayden.
Yeah, yo.
Jayden don't know your crosses.
then should I collect mine too?
Me blood clot.
Why me super make headline?
Jayden, I don't know if I get two body gun or two wheel. Me tell from collect, but you don't fuck with me.
So Rosalie, we know that's what Miss Stripper that's funny.
No, not for steal.
No, we're not that's right.
So not for cuss each other and leave me.
Next time we don't add a question, I work with the floor.
So Miss Stripper, So you like the ball live with me?
Yeah,
Then I'm not my friend.
That's true.
If I work with the floor, cuss people, should not cuss people.
When I teach me how to cuss, what I must say.
So suck out your mother blam them.
I don't like that.
La Marsha,
Give me some else.
blood clap, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
I don't like that one.
The ball cat Jayden got hey, got your mouth for
Never your baby a ball a while ago.
It doesn't work. Whatever, we have to go break. We have to go practice on next year. Get your speed chat.
Bad man, I'll be a cap. Yo.
3,000 people.
More put the prom in our wish list.
Nicki blam them.
Yeah, wish list.
More prom.
Y'all out the road want slam them. Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki blam
42
them.
person one rose chat.
Must can't kiss this. Must can't kiss this.
Nicki this, Nicki that, Nicki blam them.
I can people them
Y'all out the road.
42
You want
person.
slam them.
Carry 100 damn kid.
Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Everybody send a rose.
Everybody send a rose chat.
Rose every day come here, I beg like you're blind.
me say, man, DJ.
Every day, I no more have 600 I'm over to the bed and I beg it tomorrow. I want 2 bed.
Stop them, I beg you, I beg too.
No, me must say me a crab in a barrel, me bring down people.
Yeah, hypocrite. That's what you are.
You just know that. You don't know if that for a morning.
Guys, catch your speed.
Me said everybody go look right now, me there beg. You never know if that's how you go.
Guys, catch your speed.
Come on, chat. Me have to quick a crab in a barrel.
Damn, me capitalize them out, catch your speed, man.
I'll show you people.
Nicki Minaj want more.
We get the speed enough. Double chat.
Nicki Minaj want
Double be team.
Alright, Nicki.
Nicki Minaj, no cover Rosealee. Rosealee beg too
Guys,
much.
we don't want money.
I mean, want
Come on,
everything.
beg. She can't come and say hi. Me not beg her.
No, crab in a barrel.
Come on.
No, me not beg her.
No,
Guys,
no,
use the
crab in
double
a
not
barrel.
chat.
I'm not begging her. Me just want to say hi. Double chat.
Crab in a
Guys, use the double not
barrel.
beg money for my bestie.
Crab in a barrel. Crab in a barrel. No, Nicki Minaj. I'm forget.
You know, so we are only one there, so we don't get problem. I don't care. Me I get more
Go
money.
back a while time.
Nicki Minaj.
We don't care what me
I tell her can't be the song.
first. I have to more money going there. So come not chat, man.
Who that?
Nicki Minaj.
You know, so we are cuss like them for sure.
Boy, Nicki Minaj, stand tough with that lion.
Don't start cussing like them.
Me love you, Nicki Minaj. Love you so much.
I joke me can't cuss no me.
You can't go see you start crying.
Can't cuss no.
I'm a bad man.
Can't.
I'm a bad
Nicki
man.
Minaj. Hey, Nicki. Hey, girl.
Guys, but no sound
You're
too
not
much
getting nothing
I
wrong.
don't want nothing. Me I can't say hi.
Yeah, me
I don't
alone.
beg me
beg.
a beg her. I want to say hi.
You
I
beg
don't
like
beg
you're
me a beg
blind.
her. I don't do a hi, baby. What's up? I
You beg like your blood clot blind.
So Rosealee, how much time I go say hi?
What if I screenshot it?
We hear you.
So, my people, me just want to say this, right? Wanna see the video with the youth when name Quada, the artist when name Quada well bad. Wanna see one video when him put out in response to people that say him name front. Wanna see that video there too? Wanna see the video with him and name the front? Well, me tell you something, my people. You see, if him never have the wart on him face, the mole or whatever, people would recognize him at that. Make people recognize him. Saying, so him come out, if you don't see the video with him come out and him say, yo, youths, you do whatever you want to do in a life. Do business, but and person. Do whatever you want to do. So him own up to him thing, you know what I mean? And if him woman in yard, it a go bad, but it nah go so bad. You understand? Him still can do music, but enough people now go and work with him. All him have to do is find one big hit song, you know, and him gone a road again, you know. Yeah, but him now go, nobody now go and link with him like that still. But him career not over. Tell me what you think in the comment, my people. We'll watch a little bit more of this, and then we'll go over Deesha and Nicki Minaj.
Sorry to let me live.
Yeah, thank you.
How much time I go say
Yeah,
hi?
big up
Don't worry
yourself.
about that. More
Oh, God.
Why here, God bless you.
Yeah, look at me and
Because
say hi.
are you white right? I'm a whole chat.
No, for you, me not beg nothing.
Yeah.
If she want to give me, she give me, but me can't say hi.
Let's see them on the camera. I'm going to
Don't want to do that.
I don't come from there, my body
I get something from the kitten. Go ahead. You beg like a blood clot blind.
Batty boy, I never beg
You know, say Jim
no
from my body.
Hi, Nicki.
I'm here.
Don't want this. I'm never can't delay the eye. Delay the
Sexy bird time. I'm going to get
I don't forget everything. I'm coming out.
Get ready for
Are you mother?
Me I get ready for
I'm everything.
Get ready for your mama.
Drunk, I beg like your blood. Jayden, I beg too much. I look at naughty batty man.
It look like blam them.
If you don't want to put Nicki dog shit.
It look like Nicki no red chip.
No man, Nicki love her, man. Nicki phone give her.
Nicki, thank you.
Nicki Minaj.
Hey, I say, hey,
Please.
hey, me love Nikina. No, son. For my longest time.
We know we love, man. We know we love.
Wow.
Me don't know.
But I get gifts every day. We get gifts every day, by you know what I mean by. When it's done.
I know.
We get gifts every day. We get gifts every day, but you know what we get every day? We don't get a pop star every day with slung and relate to it.
True.
We get gifts every blood clot here.
I'll tell you.
True. Cardi B got name out of man.
They do not them come.
Bad mind Shibada.
Who name Cardi B? We don't know who name, so that they all rich. They don't know.
Shibada bad mind of fuck.
Rosealee, who name? When I come picture my ends. We don't know who name Cardi B.
Rosealee, who name so? Who name Cardi B?
Who name so? Who name Cardi B? I must say Cardi names. Yeah, talk about. Who know? We don't know who name so.
You don't know who name.
No, we know Nicki Minaj.
0544.
Blam them. Who name Cardi B?
Yeah.
Me don't know who name so neither.
I don't know who name so.
Wanna be rapper.
Hello, don't call them. Really, my kid already.
Yeah.
I can't see them name.
Remember, say we are hypocrites, so we have to go along with it.
Can't believe a sweet. Can't believe a sweet that we have once.
Remember saying no? And then every day I see one nice rapper from America come blind with me, you know. But the lady I line with and it's all about baby. She give it. We use everything.
Like her, man.
In peace, we don't talk about sweets love. We don't love no sweets. You use the lion.
Bro, listen.
Well, me love sweet.
Me love the gift.
I should come over here and tell me
Me love sweets. Me love sweets.
Me feel work out. Although me chat they tell me that try to come out and tell me to work out.
Support me same way.
Me love them love
Me
sweets.
work
Sweet
out and stop
Let me tell you something, Rose. Nicki Minaj concert for the life. Who would love somebody better gift them? Yeah?
Rosealee, blam them. Me and blam them.
I would feel better.
Listen.
Don't call me name Batty boy. Don't call
Blam
me.
them, listen, blam them. Blam them talk about the gift. We'll get gift by you, no doubt about it. But from a rapper can come and lie us, it's a blessing.
Beggar with pride.
Doing
We
it.
don't want you to beggar with pride.
Rosealee,
we don't want you to a beggar.
Rosealee, what do you going to
dog shit.
Rosealee, what do you
Never
going
beggar
to
with
give me a
pride. You look a drunk or you can't.
Rosealee, what do you going to give me a lie?
You know what people
You give me a lie, Rosealee, because you did a sell peanut. So if somebody can sell peanut, send somebody gift. Me feel nice about that, you know?
Hey.
Me feel nice about that.
Let me see us ask for the stinking mouth.
Where's that?
I feel I did me Rose. Oh God. I mean, oh God, Rose, we can't.
You are
That
a
stinking
chat.
mouth, blam them.
Come down my team, I'm going to
I feel I
so
did
hard.
Rose.
Sketch it
Come on, chat.
Yeah, I say me love Nicki. She not for saying me love her.
A sweet self go you beg like a blind, a drunk.
It's 4 hearts now. When I'm not I must stop it.
You know you can't tame dirty backy boy we are league.
A sweet self, dirty batty girl.
Guys, 2 more heart shots.
One
Two more
minute.
Anna.
Hey,
Two more
take him in,
Anna.
saying I done.
So Deesha, first of all, I just want to say thank you for your time to even talk to me. I feel I first of all I know that you dance. That's number one. Shout out because you dope. You're dope at what you do, and you know you did what needed to be done. You went out there and you did something. You made a name for yourself. So I want to just applaud you for that. First of all, okay?
Thank you.
So here's the thing. I don't know if you are old enough yet for this to have ever happened to you, but you know what happens with every celebrity, every famous person that I've ever met in my entire life. Somebody at one point in their family.
Alright, my people, so make we hear what take place here now with Nicki Minaj and Deesha Rivers. People, blam them, I gonna light up Beenie Man in that thing. But I gonna hear, you see me not talk too much still. So make we jump back in at my people, because I don't want the video too long.
Goes, or you know, family, or let's say a friend or something, right? Goes to like the media, all right? And they'll say stuff like, okay, Buckstar said Beenie dissed the doubles. Buckstar, we're not talking about doubles right now. You come on the other side of Blam Dem, sir. Okay? Next nonsense, you will get blocked. Thank you. All right. Anyway. But here's the thing. You know what I always notice? It's difficult for people to look at celebrities as anything other than a bank sometimes. Sometimes, especially people that you're close to, they don't realize every single thing that has to be done. They don't see the paying of the staff and the paying of everyone's bills, and you know, they don't see that. Excuse me, Nick Nack said yawn, so I'm gonna block you, ugly. I chat about yawn. Go yawn under my bumper clot pussy. Anyway, so, but this is what I wanted to tell you. At one point or another, everyone with a celebrity for a family member, they might
really always happen for real. It always happen for real. Somebody always come out and talk.
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't think people that's not the artist or the main breadwinner in the family, I don't think they ever really notice how much money gets spent. What they only see or think about how much money the person is making, or how much a person made for a show, or how much, you know, based off the internet, right?
Yeah.
And I hate to see people come out and speak about somebody that I know they love. I know you love your dad. You know what I'm saying? I know your dad loves you. I think that nobody understands, number one, all the time that goes into this, as well as how many people have to get paid. So when somebody gets a lump sum of money, it's easy. I mean, like, literally, I remember getting my first lump sum of money. I bought all of my best friends a car, like a Range Rover, a BMW, a Benz, and what was the fourth? And a Range Rover. 2 Range Rovers, a BMW, and a Benz, right? Do you know when it was time for one particular person to re-up after years of having a car you didn't pay for, after having your insurance paid for, all that, when the first time I was not able to say yes, it was like I never said yes before to anything. It was like...
But for you, that's different. You know, it's different because you actually did something, you know? So that's really them, like, that's really that, what you would have said, no, them, I watch your pocket then, you see me? Like, and that's not good, but when
Blam them.
When you can say, alright, you see, when you can say, alright, you did this, so whatever them come out, come say, them a pussy. You get what I say? But me can't say, you did. Like, you get what I say? So it's kind of different, you see me? And nobody around can say, like, everybody can just say one thing about one person. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, but in terms of you as his daughter, right? See, because other people can say stuff.
And I'm his biggest supporter, by the way.
But I'm glad you know where I'm going. So other people saying stuff is different from you saying something, because that is a very hurtful thing to do, especially when you're not seeing that, because you might be 5 years old, 6 years old. You haven't seen all of the money that he has paid for bills.
I used to work at the office like years ago.
I'm talking about when you was a baby. When you was a baby,
yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years old. You don't know what bills this man was paying. And someone said, Beanie, if you do it better. You can't tell somebody to do nothing better. That means I could come and tell you right now in your life, you could do it better. Everybody could do everything better. The point is, a lot of people forget what you did do. And then with children, a lot of them, they were too young to remember. So, in addition, if he has a bunch, other children that he has to take care of, he's not out here making, dancehall artists, they're not making pop artists money. So just because a person continues to, have a smile on their face, it doesn't mean that they might not be stressed at times to figure out how they're going to make their next check.
Yeah, I get what you said, but I've been there through everything, like all of the hurt, all of the emotions, like the ups, the downs. You get what I say? Always that I always have a back emotionally. It's in every way, you get me? Like never.
That shop said, get to the point, Nicki. Get this block, bitch. Get the fuck off of here. Get to what point? Who in a rush? You? I'm in a rush. Pass me the keys to my truck, bitch. Now you blocked, ho. I'm sorry, boo. Go ahead.
Yeah. So, like, me know where, like, over the years, me know where you got through. Like, me know everybody will come around, everybody will gone. Like, me know, because, I'm his first child. You get what I say? So,
yeah.
Me know every single thing.
Alright, my people, me kind of understand what Nicki Minaj just say. You see me? Me understand what she has said. Me understand what she has said. But you can't compare a Jamaican artist to an international artist like Nicki Minaj, because Nicki Minaj, you go find, say, I go have publicists, I go have staff, you go have all the makeup artists, you go have a lot of people when Nicki Minaj have to pay. You see me, when it come to a dancehall artist, we don't really have no publicists like that. You see me, I say, as dancehall artists, them don't have no publicists. Them don't really have much people under them payroll. You see me, I say, look on Vybz Kartel, he's independent. And for a long while he was independent. Look on Spice is independent for a while. So them don't have nobody to pay, but anybody with them hire to do a job every now and then. I don't like them have nobody to that on them payroll. They maybe have a few people on them payroll, but not a lot. And me feel like say the reason why Deesha come out and say what she say, Beenie Man buy a Maserati. You see me I say, and a Maserati a whole heap of money for that. You see it. And although as an artist, you have to keep up your image. You see me? Because if people see you pop down, them a go want pay you liquor and nothing for your time. You see me? So if you look decent and rich, them can't play with your money when it come to a show. But Deesha feel like say Beenie Man buy the Maserati there for just prove a point when it come to Vybz Kartel, and him could have used the money there help one of them as the youth. You understand? But me know one thing, me people, I want some more. Like
literally, me know all of the ups, all of the downs, me know who come and receive and be ungrateful. Me see people where in the know out of nowhere just come and get and receive and go about them business and then come this him up. You get what I say? I would say emotionally for you. You get what I say? Like me never get really like me not pressure him for nothing. First of all, I come out and boast myself as a dancer. My first initial state becoming a dancer was to dance with him because he's so big and me just would have look good for a father and daughter duo. Him literally ignore that and then we go out there and
you wasn't dancing with him?
No, I was dancing with Rivers. I wasn't dancing with him. I asked him to dance with him and he ignored me. Him shut it down. Him say I'm gonna bring somebody else. And then I go out there now, bust myself, and then like after I go out there and bust myself, him start literally have problems with the people them who actually helped me to become a successful dancer. So it's like in every it's like I say he's a narcissist then.
But Deesha, that's your dad, and he's done a lot for you. So to go on the internet, it should be the last and final resort. Like, you know.
Yeah, I get what you say, but to be honest, like, because alright, so alright, to be honest, you'd have to then in my shoes to understand why my God is so. You get what I say? Because they wouldn't know like where exactly where to stem from or where to come from. I really and truly, I kind of just don't want him to do my siblings them the same way like him do me. I want it to be better. You get what I say?
And I understand, cause I know
honestly, I did try to talk to him, and him hung up my phone and all of that, and then it make him hang up my phone or whatever, and then you know just a bag of something. I try to reach out to him and he never try to contact me or nothing. So
okay, so this is what I wanted to say about that part. I think a lot of this is a prime example of people not necessarily counting the actual cash as things, or people only counting money as things that is done for them. So for instance, if you went on the dancing scene and you made a name for yourself, girl, you look just like your father. Do you think that some of them doors weren't kicked down just because Beenie is your dad?
yeah, that's true. But I didn't put myself out there as Beenie Man's daughter.
You
like
don't have
a lot of people knew that after the fact. Like even when like alright, what am I say now? When I get famous, people start acknowledge say, oh, you know, whatever. So I never did really go out there as Beenie Man daughter. But yeah, it did pave the way.
That's cool. Shit, them ban our life. Look like.